Hello, dear students. Very good morning to all of you. So far, you have learned the uses of simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and today we will learn the uses of present perfect continuous. This tense is used when an action begins in past and it continues in present time, and when the action started, this time is mentioned. Again, I repeat, if an action begins in past and it continues in present and the action when it started, that time is mentioned. I have been teaching English for last 10 years. I started the work 10 years ago and action still continues. In present, still I teach. So in this case, I have been teaching English for last 10 years. Second rule is there. Something you started in past and you're doing repeatedly and it just completed few minutes ago. Action started in past and you're doing it repeatedly and it ended in present few minutes ago. In this case, you have to use present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been running in the mud and I have become muddy. So I have been running in the mud. Means now you are not running. Action started in past and it continued and just ended few minutes ago. In third case, let's understand the difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. In present continuous tense, we are also in the middle of work. Work is already started, we are in the middle of work, means it is not finished yet. For example, I am studying English right now. I am studying English right now. This is present continuous tense. And in present perfect continuous, here also work starts in past, but at a particular time. And in present, we are in the middle. But what's the difference? In present continuous, beginning time of the work will not be given. But in present perfect continuous, beginning time of the work is mentioned. As I have been teaching English for last 10 years. Means here last 10 years. The work when it is started, that time is mentioned here. But in present continuous tense, I am studying English. Here, when the work started, this is not mentioned. So, few adverbs like for and since are used here frequently in present perfect continuous tense. And as we have discussed in present perfect tense uses, when you use since and when you use for, again I repeat once more, for introduces period of time, as for 3 years, for 9 years, for 10 years, for a long time. But since introduces point of time, since Monday, since January, since 10 o'clock. And present perfect continuous. Here now let's consider construction of sentence. So has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus for or since phrase. Once more I repeat, has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus for or since phrase. Once more, I would like to remind you, whether you use for or since, meaning will be same. But only for will introduce period of time and since will introduce point of time.